Welcome to the best picks. The best GFCI outlet is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your outdoor space. Whether you're setting up holiday lights, powering your lawnmower, or just enjoying some tunes on the patio, having a safe and reliable power source is key. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of outdoor GFCI outlets with covers, exploring what makes them tick and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. ENERLITES IUC1 HVD Weatherproof Enclosure. Introducing the ENERLITES IUC1 HVD, an extra-duty weatherproof enclosure. It's designed to protect your outlets from the elements, ensuring safety and longevity. This is a great solution for outdoor use. Built with a robust polycarbonate thermoplastic, this enclosure offers maximum durability. It's designed to withstand severe weather conditions, keeping your outlets safe and secure. This is a reliable choice for any outdoor setup. This enclosure effectively shields your outlets from rain, mud, dirt, and snow. It also provides protection against pets and other animals, ensuring your electrical connections remain safe. It is a must-have for outdoor safety. The IUC1 HVD can be mounted horizontally or vertically, offering flexible installation options. It features a locking tab and openings for individual cord management. This makes it easy to integrate into your existing setup. It is compatible with decorator switches, receptacles, and GFCI receptacles. It meets NEC Section 406.9(b)(1) standards and is UL listed. For the best fit, use ENERLITES devices. The mounting hardware is included, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. It is a 1-gang enclosure with dimensions of 6.1 inch height x 3.4, width x 2.8 depth. This product offers both convenience and peace of mind. What we like. This outlet cover is built for the toughest conditions. It offers extra-duty protection against the elements, ensuring your outlet stays safe from rain, snow, and debris. If you have outdoor outlets in moisture-prone locations, this is a great choice. It's durable and reliable, keeping your electrical connection secure. What people say. Measuring just right for 1-gang outlets, they fit snugly and let you use your outlets without worrying about water getting in. The durable design is built tough for outdoor use, plus the clear cover means you can see your outlet while keeping it sealed tight. Installation was easy, it comes with a fixture guide. The cover fits securely, keeping outlets safe from rain and debris. Number 4. TayMac MKG 420CS Extra Duty GFCI Outlet Kit. This is a Hubble Extra Duty WRTR-15A self-test GFCI outlet. It's designed for wet and damp locations. The product is UL listed, ensuring maximum toughness and protection for your home improvement projects. Setting up this outdoor outlet cover is quick and easy. The quick-fit keyhole mounting system allows for installation in under a minute. It also features an easy change pin for both horizontal and vertical mounting. Enjoy added safety with this GFCI electrical outlet. It's weather-resistant and tamper-resistant, which helps maintain safety. This feature keeps children from potential accidents. This socket cover is built from high-impact polycarbonate for maximum durability. It provides more room for electrical cords and includes a gasket and mounting hardware. This weatherproof cover is tested and certified to QLIS and NEMA standards. The lockable tab can be secured with a full-size padlock while appliances are plugged in and running, providing extra security. What we like. This product is designed for quick and easy setup. With its quick-fit mounting system, you can install it in under a minute. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation, this is the perfect choice. It also offers tamper-resistant features, making it ideal for homes with children. What people say. Outdoor cover, and it allows a cord to be inserted while lid is closed, making it weatherproof. Also lockable. GFI works. These boxes are built well. I like the cover because it has the removable plastic piece at the bottom so that you can leave an extension cord plugged in and the cover stays down. Number 3. Legrand Radiant 1597 TRWRGRYCCD4 Outdoor GFCI Outlet. This is the Legrand Radiant Outdoor GFCI Outlet. It's a tamper-resistant and weather-resistant outlet designed for outdoor use. It provides reliable electrical protection. This outlet tests itself every 3 seconds. If it fails the test, a red LED flashes, signaling it needs replacement. It also has safe lock protection. The Legrand Radiant GFCI offers unprecedented electrical protection. It's designed to keep you safe and provide peace of mind. The outlet is easy to install with external back wire pressure plates and posted terminal screws. This makes the installation process faster and more convenient. As part of the PNS Radiant collection, this outlet offers both convenience and sleek aesthetics. It's a step up from the standard, complementing your home. What we like. This GFCI outlet prioritizes safety with its self-testing feature, checking itself every 3 seconds. This provides a level of electrical protection that's unprecedented. If you value peace of mind and want the safest GFCI on the market, you should consider this. It's also easy to install, making it a convenient choice for any homeowner. What people say. The outlets are very easy to install. The cover is well designed and keeps the outlets protected from the elements. The GFCI function works as expected, providing an extra layer of safety. Number 2. TayMac MG420CS 15A GFCI Kit. This is the TayMac MG420CS, a non-metallic extra-duty complete-in-use cover kit. It's designed for outdoor use and includes everything you need for a safe and reliable electrical outlet. Thanks to the patented quick-fit keyhole mounting system, it can be installed in under a minute. This makes the installation process fast and efficient, saving you time and effort. The kit includes a weather-resistant, tamper-resistant GFCI receptacle. This provides protection against electrical shock and ensures safety in various weather conditions. The kit comes with a box, a 15A WRTR receptacle, and the cover itself. Everything is included, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. It also includes an attached gasket and all the necessary mounting hardware. This ensures a secure and weatherproof seal, protecting the electrical components inside. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution with its quick-fit mounting system, allowing for fast installation. It includes a weather-resistant GFCI receptacle, ensuring safety and durability. If you like a simple, all-in-one solution for your outdoor outlets, it's a great choice. It's easy to install and provides reliable protection. What people say. The outlets have covers that snap shut to keep the weather out. The product is easy to install. The GFCI outlets work great. Number 1. Greencycle 20A GFCI Outlet, 3-pack. This 20A ground fault circuit interrupter provides continuous ground fault protection, detecting and tripping within 20 milliseconds. Constructed with high-impact resistant materials, it ensures superior strength and durability. It's perfect for homes, offices, and any damp space. Featuring test and reset buttons with an LED indicator, it's easy to monitor the outlet status. Test the GFCI function monthly to ensure proper operation. The green light indicates it's working correctly, while no light suggests a wiring issue or malfunction. This weather-resistant GFCI is ideal for various indoor and outdoor areas. It prevents moisture from entering the circuit, ensuring electrical safety and preventing short circuits. It also provides UV resistance, preventing discoloration and aging. With rigorous ETL certification, this 20A, 125-volt, 60Hz outlet meets high-quality standards. While the initial insertion might be challenging due to the safety design, subsequent use is easy and convenient. It's a safe choice for your home or office. The GFCI receptacles come with decorative wall panels and can be installed quickly. Follow the detailed instructions provided. Remember to ensure the wire is fully inserted and the outlet is installed in an electrical box at least 2 inches deep. What we like. This GFCI outlet provides robust protection with its 20A rating and weather-resistant design. It's ETL certified, ensuring it meets high-quality standards. If you need a safe and reliable outlet for outdoor use, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for patios, gardens, and any area exposed to the elements. What people say. Works amazing, great product support. 15A outlet, easy to install and good directions. Fantastic design and product seals well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.